Hi there, welcome to my course on Jira. In this course, we will learn everything about the Jira software and I will explain it to you each and everything about Jira software from a user perspective and an admin perspective as well. So before going forward, I would like to tell you this video is for the people who are brand new to Jira. Jira is a very comprehensive tool with a lot of customizable capabilities. I would like to tell you one secret how personally I use Jira to track my day-to-day activities. For this video, I have an agenda. Let me tell you what is my agenda and what we will learn. In this video, we will learn what is Jira, why should we use Jira, what are the Jira products, which agile methodologies are used in Jira. So let's move forward to know what is Jira. Jira is a project management, issue tracking, and work tracking tool for agile software and business teams. Jira is made by a company, and the company name is Atlassian. Atlassian is an Australian company, but now they have different offices in many other countries. The name Jira is actually inherited from a Japanese word, Gojira, which means Godzilla. So let's move forward to know about why should we use Jira. There are a lot of software is available in the market which are similar to Jira. Then why should we use Jira? Why the people in most of the organization prefer to go with the Jira? The reason is Jira has everything that you need to manage projects and teams. It is fully customizable to your needs. You can customize your workflow. You can add your custom design, issue types, and you can add your fields. You can design your issue operation screen as per your team requirement and countless add-ons to further enhance the functionality. Let me tell you about the marketplace of Jira, where you can find various apps that are used to enhance the functionality of Jira. Let me show you the official webpage of Atlassian, www.atlassian.com. And once you will be clicking on Products tab, you will be seeing an option of Marketplace down here. By clicking the Marketplace option, you will be scrolling down, and on all products of your left hand, you will be selecting Jira. While selecting Jira, you will be scrolling down to the main web page and seeing many options and apps for as per your choice, and you will be looking for the tempos timesheet automation for Jira and many more apps using according to your requirement. The next one is what are Jira products? Many people are not aware about like Jira is a family of products built to help all types of teams to track their work. There are four products built on Jira platform. Jira Core, Jira Software, Jira Service Desk, Jira Oops. I will tell you one by one what is meaning and what are the features of these products. So let's start from Jira Core. What is Jira Core? It allows to track issues using customizable workflow, which basically determines how issue can flow from start to completion and what are other steps along with basic functionality that would you get with Jira Core, which is base bare minimum Jira tool that you can use simple business related products and task management. Let's move forward to the next one, and which is Jira software. With Jira software, which we will be using in this complete course, you have extra agile functionality where you can track software projects with agile methodologies. In other words, Jira software includes both Jira core plus agile methodologies. Now, what is Jira Service Desk? It is the service desk which is used for support projects. Using Jira Service Desk, you can give the better experience to your customers. They can easily ask for help, and your agent can respond them in a faster and better way. The next one is Jira Oops. It is an incidental management tool. It is used to centralize alerts and notify the right people at the right time. So these are the four products which come under the Jira platforms. Let's move forward. Which agile methodology used in Jira? Most of the people who start to learn Jira and use Jira has this question in their mind, which agile methodologies are used in Jira. So let me tell you, Jira software is an agile project management tool that supports any agile methodology. It can be Scrum, Kanban, or your own unique flavor. You can use Scrum, Kanban, mixed methodologies, or agile scale up to your requirements. Jira software befitting on your framework Scrum, Kanban, or your unique other one. So in this course we will focus on Scrum and little bit about the Kanban as well, because I saw most of the organization use Scrum and Kanban as well. So we will talk more about Scrum but less about Kanban.